All right, everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to have a good one while I try to fumble through a straight razor shave. So, we are using Grant, the Strike Gold shave. Lather Me Whiskers did a really easy giveaway on one of his lives, and I answered first. And so I got sent the Grant, and look at that shit, man. I like it. It's an Aventus and Baccarat Rouge 540 mixed together, and that's a pretty generous sample. I like the tub, pretty cool. I was gonna fuck with David Gonzalez and try to load from this tub, but I wanted a good shave, so we did not try to load from the tiny ass tub. Alrighty, and lathered it up. Captain's Choice Copper. It's really a nice base, guys. This is the Leaf Lads. You'll see a few of us have these. Mine has the coin. We're not going to go into the story, but mine has coin. Had to get made later. Things happen. But anyways, and then we have an Omega synthetic bore knot in here. So we're going to just get this lather on the face. See, do I feel like I may need some more water, guys. Like, it took a shit ton of water and it's super peaky, and I'm like, guys, it just still seems a little dry for me. But we'll see. We'll give it a first pass. Have not shaved since Saturday morning. It is Tuesday evening. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So like 3.5 days worth of growth. And maybe we'll need to add some more water. We shall see. Paul sent this beauty, this beast, the Kracken, along for me to try. It is a KM Razor Designs, and look at it. Let's see. I see the Kracken arm on it for the tail. It's pretty sweet. Barber's notch. Is it 12/8, 13/8? I don't know. It's huge as fuck. Slightly intimidating. And since it is so big, glasses have to come off. And I'm sorry, guys, because I'm trying to see what we're doing. I assumed it dropped up. Oh yeah. I'm going to be putting some more water in the lather. And then we're going to do this line right here. All right. All righty, guys. Get a little white. Don't worry, Paul, rinsing downward. And this is a KM Razor Designs Edge, Paul told me. It is not his, it is KM's. Can't judge it with other edges being a wedge, or near wedge, quarter hollow, whatever that is. I'm gonna add some more water, guys, because I wasn't happy with the hydration level. Alright. You ever hear with DE shaving, let the razor do the work? The weight. It's kind of what you're doing with a chopper like this, in my opinion. Is you're letting the weight do its thing. All right. Give it a wipe. Do not want to get water in the pins. Not my razor. Wouldn't want to do it on my razor either, but alrighty. Man, that's a huge motherfucker. It's just hard to wield. For me, I'm not used to big blades whatsoever. I'm a smaller blade guy most of the time. I think the biggest I've ever used is a 9/8 up until this razor. So. There we go. I just wanted to do it there. I don't know why. Wasn't time. Gonna notice me being quiet? 'Cause it's kind of like being a virgin. Size can be intimidating. Needle. Cuts well though. I mean, I'm getting all the long hairs off rather easily. I'm gonna add some more water, dip the whole brush pretty much. And we're gonna dip again. And we're gonna dip again. I'm gonna go with that lather. Very nice. A little bit more water. Yeah, guys, this is a thirsty beast. I really enjoy the base. Like, it's just one of those luxury bases. Not all their labels are fancy. They've got some pretty labels in my opinion. There's Sakura Rouge or Rogue, whatever that one was. I enjoyed it, the label, but I did not enjoy the scent. Ended up selling that off to DK. I'm lucky DK missed out on it. Because honestly, guys, DK's all about some, what do you call it? DK's all about some Strike Gold shave. Definitely, I wouldn't say a fanboy, but big time fan. And y'all know normally I like to go fast up the side, but this is so big that you can just take. It's almost more beneficial for me. We'll do get a weeper. In these, it's almost more beneficial to take those long strokes. I know I don't have to rinse every time. It's a big blade. It can handle it, but I did weep it right here. So 2 so far. A little bit of a curl there. And the wrist to make that happen. And I'm sorry this is a boring, quiet video. And guys, this is a great scent. I'm on a buying freeze, but We'll see. Still around. Yeah, if it's still around, month or two, I'll probably pick it up. And this was a collaboration with the razor company, for those of you that don't know. Just double checking some stuff, making sure it's close enough for my liking. Gross. Tastes perfumey, as it should, right? All right, I think we got it, guys. There was some blood, 2 spots. But considering never used anything this big, and the big ones I have used have been so long ago, I'm proud of myself. I feel I did well, because I'm always fumbling through a shave. We're gonna rinse up. We'll be right back. All right, and we are back. I gave myself what I guess they call a Scottish bath. I used the shave soap afterwards and really washed my face. Doesn't hurt to wash your face more. Did a lot of sweating, clogging of pores, so, you know, twice after I get home is probably not bad. My lines aren't as good as I want. I'll probably edge it up in the morning after a shower. But we're going to use the Fine Platinum. Yeah, I'm just going to bed tonight. I know I don't need a lot of scent, but I like to smell good. The way I see it, there's a good burn. I mean, there's irritation like here down, and that's on me, man. I couldn't, as I was bringing it, I couldn't just, things I have to learn with something that big to get all the rolls in. Whew, like a fine splash burn though. So we got the burn, a little pricey. Probably won't pick up any more fine products, that's just me. Using the Doppelganger Grey label from PAA. One of my favorite of Venice dupes. Touch back on it. Moon Soaps by Kent Brush, Kent Designs. I really like that coin. Look at that coin. Isn't that bitchin'? Really elegant look. A bunch of us collabed on this brush to bring it together, things we were interested in, what we kind of wanted to see from it. And I think Zach did a really good job of pulling it off, guys. Kind of cigar theme. It's really beautiful. Like I said, I dig it. I like it. I love it. And I like the synthetic Omega bore knot in here. It's the same one Johan has in his certified brush with the long handle and the reddish orange rubber ferrule thing. And to the star of the show, the Kracken from the Captain. Thank you, Captain. I appreciate it. I'll be sending it back out to you shortly with some other stuff for you to hone up, take care of for me. All right, guys. I think that's it. If I didn't cover it all, I'm sorry. Y'all have a good one. Hope to catch y'all later.